and good morning. And wow, I've missed you. It's been a whole weekend that I have not seen you. So I'm so glad that you were in church yesterday and that you were able to experience the love of God among the brethren, and that God is still working in your life. I thank God for you. And keep in mind, if you agree that this has been a blessing to you, drop me a line, let me know that we should continue doing this. I'm reading from Jeremiah in the Old Testament, chapter 31, verse 3. It says, "Long ago the Lord said to Israel, I have loved you, my people, with an everlasting love. With unfailing love, I have drawn you to myself." And this has become a very meaningful verse to me when I got saved, because it was the first time I would have heard anybody expressing deep acceptance and appreciation and love towards me. And so this morning and this week, we're going to talk about God's love and how he manages to convey this love to us, and how he would not only be talking love, but how he would also be doing love. But I love when God says, "I've told you long ago, I love you." It means if he's saying it now, it means that he has maintained the level of love that he had when he first said it. God loves me. I think that is so fantastically important, to know that God is not just loving me and not letting me know it. He's clearly indicating, "I love you with an everlasting love." It means my love, God's love for us, is not dying. It's not going away. Sometimes we just need to be told we're loved without any strings attached, without it becoming transactional, without anybody trying to pin things on me. Sometimes we're told that we're loved so that the other person might evoke a response from us that would not necessarily be in our best interest, but in theirs. But when God says he loved me with an everlasting love, this is totally my benefit, and a lot of times at his expense. In fact, the ultimate price, as we'll deal with tomorrow, was paid by Jesus Christ as an expression of God's love. This morning, I just wanted you, before you walk out that door and think, "Oh my gosh, I'm alone in this world, what could happen to me?" I wanted you to appreciate God loves you with an everlasting love. It is not going away. You are loved. You are not just appreciated, you are loved. There is a deep sense of God's intention, positive intention towards you. I hope this week you appreciate how much God really loves you.